how to make money online in Nigeria. So today I'm going to be revealing to us how you can begin to make money online in Nigeria. There are actually 7 methods of them that I'll be revealing to you. Hello guys, if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, it's good to have you here. On this channel I talk about affiliate marketing, I talk about e-commerce, I talk about Facebook ads, sales and marketing. So if this is something that interests you, I want you to consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up and click on the bell notification so that by the time I bring insightful information like this, you'll be the first to get notified. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate you. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So there are actually several ways that you can make money online in Nigeria and other African countries. But like I said, I'll be revealing the top 7 of them to you so you can begin to start taking advantage of the internet and earn money online even if you have not been doing so or if you are a newbie. So how do you begin to make money online? The number one is e-commerce. So what is e-commerce? E-commerce is a very simple method of selling online. Okay, this is the reason why you see the bikers, those riders, you see them everywhere on the street today. You see them making a lot of deliveries to different states and different cities. It's as a result of e-commerce. So how do you take advantage of the internet using e-commerce? All right, you sell physical product. All right, it is the selling of physical product. It could be fashion, it could be skincare, it could be just about anything that is physical that you can sell. So how do you do that? For example, if you're going into fashion, let's use fashion. All right, you take high quality pictures of whatever of the product. All right, take put it in a very nice place and take very high quality pictures. All right, so when you do so, you take it online. You can have an Instagram page, you can have Facebook page, you can as well also set them on your WhatsApp status. You could also create Facebook advertising, and then people will place order on your Facebook store, and then you go ahead and make a delivery for them. All right, so all the method that I've just mentioned, they all work. They all work. It's only the Facebook paid advertising that you need to spend money on. The rest of them are actually free way that you can market your product online. Once you get a sale, and then you send the delivery guys to go and deliver your items, and you get paid. Okay, so imagine you're doing a fashion business and you sell 1, 2, 3 in a day, and perhaps your commission is, let's say, 2,000 naira or 1 5 or 3,000 naira. Multiply this in a week. You sell 3 in a day and you now sell 10 in a week. All right, imagine selling 20 in a week. And the more you grow, the more you will scale your business, the more people will get to know you. All right, so this way, if you begin in a free way, you can now invest your money in paid advertising. So you can consider doing this because it doesn't cost you anything at all. It's free for you to, okay, for example, now you can go to boutiques. All right, go to any of the boutique that is close by. If you don't own a boutique, tell them that you like to sell their product for them online. All right, get high quality pictures, you begin to market them. Okay, so that is a very good way you can actually take advantage of the e-commerce and sell things online. Okay, so the number 2 is copywriting. Copywriting is the act of writing persuasive words. All right, you write persuasive words to make people to buy whatever thing you're selling. Have you gotten something online before? Yeah, if you've gotten on something online, it's as a result of the work of a copywriter who has carefully written to the audience, all right, using persuasive words that makes them to click and buy whatever thing they are selling. So copywriting could be in form of writing, it could be in form of videos, all right? So how do you make money with copywriting? You can just you learn it, all right? You go to there's a marketplace called Fiverr, all right? Once you go to Fiverr, there are a lot of people there looking for copywriters who they will pay. They will pay actually in dollars. They will pay in dollars for you to write copies for them. All right. So when you pay copies, the minimum you will get as a copywriter is $500. All right. So from there you grow. Before you know, you begin to charge $1,000. Before you know, you begin to charge $2,000 to $3,000. All right, and on and on. So a lot of people are ready to pay you good amount of money for you to write copy for them, and then you smile to the bank, and it's very very easy to do. Okay. So the number three is Facebook advertising, Facebook ads. All right. So Facebook ads is the means of creating profitable Facebook ads through the Facebook platform. So how is this done? There is actually a back end to your Facebook. Okay. There's an advertising aspect. That is where Facebook make their money from. All right. You can choose to learn it. By the time you learn how to create Facebook ads, you can charge businesses to pay you for you to create ads for them. You can also choose to sell any of your product, either digital or physical product, through Facebook ads. All right. Facebook ads is actually a skill. All right. When you begin to create Facebook ads for yourself and for your people, you can as well decide to create a course program teaching people how to create Facebook ads, and they will pay you. So there are several ways you can make money with Facebook ads knowledge. Either you sell physical product, your own, or a business person own, or you sell digital product. It could be yours or someone else's own, and you can also go ahead and share the knowledge, and people will pay you. It's a great way to actually make money online. So if you're enjoying this video, I want you to go ahead and give this video a like. I'll really appreciate it. Let's move on. So the number four way that you make money online is through drop shipping. This is kind of similar to the first one I talked about, which is e-commerce, but this one is different in a way. So what is drop shipping? Okay, I was using fashion as an example, right? So for example, you go to any boutique around you, or you have a cosmetic shop around you. Go there, take a picture of whatever product they have there. A product that can remove maybe pimples, maybe eczema, that will make a lady glow. All right, you know, ladies love to look beautiful, right? So go ahead, tell them that you want to sell their product for them. By the time you tell them you want to sell their product, some of them have pictures already, some do not. So what you do is you take fine quality pictures in a nice place, and then you begin to display them either on your Facebook or on your Instagram or your WhatsApp status. All right. So you begin to talk about the benefit of those products, how it will give them a smooth skin, how it will give them a glowing skin, and you see you begin to get one or two order. Before you know, you move to three, you move to four, you move to five. Remember, this is passive income. All right. So when you continue to get order here and there, you begin to grow. And a lot of people, as long as you're selling something that is good, you see people will begin to talk about you, and you will grow, and you start making money passively online. So how this is done again is that when a person places an order, you're not the person that will send the order. All right, it is the owner of the shop that you took pictures from, all right, that will help you to send the items to your customer. So if you go to a shop now and they give you pictures of a skincare product and you promote it and somebody orders for it, so what you do is that you tell the owner of the shop, so person place order, and then you give the owner of the shop the details of the delivery. The owner of the shop will go ahead and make the delivery. Okay, once they get the delivery, if it's pay on delivery, they will collect the money and send the profit to you. So you must have added your own money on the item. That is your own profit. So if a cream is being sold for 2,000 naira and you decide to sell it for 4,000 naira, you see you'll make an extra 2k. And as long as you're selling something that is good, you're going to find buyers. In fact, you'll find a lot of buyers because they are looking for solution to their problems. And it applies to all kinds of product. It mustn't only be skincare, it mustn't only be fashion, all right? It could also be health, all right? Some people are looking for how they can take care of their health. You can go ahead and take a look at that, and it will give you passive income on the side, okay? So the number 5 is affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a simple business model that helps you to connect buyers with sellers. Let me ask you a question. Have you gotten something before and then a friend or a relative asks you, where did you buy your phone? Or where did you buy this wristwatch? Or where did you buy this bag? And then you say, okay, I bought it from so and so shop. And your person, which is your friend or relative, is interested and goes ahead and buy that bag or that same phone from the shop or store that you recommended them to. Once they buy, do you know what you just did? You have just affiliated for that person. You've done affiliate marketing for that shop, but the difference is that they did not pay you. Let me give you another example. Have you been to a market before and then you see those guys, those big markets, you see those guys, they'll come to you and be asking you, what do you want to buy? What do you want to buy? Are you interested? If for example, if you're in Lagos and you go to Mandela's, you see those guys, they'll be asking you, what do you want to buy? Is it jeans? Is it bag? Is it clothes? Is it that? You know, by the time you tell them what you want to buy, they will take you to a shop. That shop that they are taking you to is not their own. But by the time you buy anything in that shop, they are going to get a commission of whatever thing that you bought. It's not that the shop owner will increase the money. No, they will not increase the money on your product. No. But they are going to give them a percentage for them taking you to that shop. It's the same thing with how you want to buy a land and an agent is taking you to show you different properties. By the time you buy, all right, his commission is there. The commission they will give the agent his commission. Okay? So affiliate marketing is the means of bringing a person who wants to buy something. You are the middle person, a person who wants to buy something to meet the person who is selling. Okay, so there are different affiliate marketing platforms, and we have Jumia affiliate marketing, there's Konga affiliate marketing, and there are also real estate affiliate marketing that you can go ahead. They are online. Just go ahead and research it. They will be interested to have you for you to promote their product. And once anybody buy, you get a commission. But on this video, I'm going to be using Expatnia as an example. So let me show you. Let me quickly show you. This is Expatnia Marketplace. All right. So you see, all these are digital products. For example, if someone who wants to learn cryptocurrency, okay, once the person is interested in learning how to make money with cryptocurrency, this is a product that the person can learn it, and the commission is 50%. You see, so look at these are different digital products. Look at them. All you have to do is you can go ahead and pick any of these products, okay, and once you make a sale, you earn a commission. See, these are different products. You can as well come to next. There are 83 different products here that you can pick any one of them, and once you make a sale, the person will get a commission. You see, it's very simple. So if you're interested in learning how to make money using affiliate marketing, I have a link down on the description below. You can go ahead and click, and I'll give you a free book that will guide you on how to make money using affiliate marketing. So the number 6 is Amazon Kindle publishing. Wow, this is powerful too. Amazon Kindle Publishing is a way that you earn money on Amazon. You upload ebooks on Amazon. You know, Amazon is the biggest market in the world. Yeah, it's the biggest digital market in the world. So, what you do is that once you upload ebooks there, okay, they actually use keywords to upload ebook, and which is very easy. You can go ahead and watch it and learn it on YouTube. All right, you learn how to upload ebooks, your own ebooks. And do you know the good thing about it? These are short 10, 20 pages ebook. So you don't need to write 1 million words. No. These are short ebooks that you upload on Amazon. Some are 10 pages, 20 pages, 25 pages. Okay, and you imagine you're selling your product for $5. How much is a dollar right now? If you're to do an exchange rate of dollar at the moment is over 600, but 600 by, so let's quickly do it. Just, there's my calculator. Good. Now say dollar is 600, over 600, right? So let's say dollar is 600. 600 times $500. So you have 3,000 naira. So imagine you're selling 3,000 naira. You sell 5 of these books in a week times 5. You have 15,000 naira. Okay? And in a month, you are able to sell, let's say, 20 copies. And remember, this, once you upload it on Amazon, you don't need to upload it again. It will keep generating money for you as you go by. It will keep generating, whether you are alive or you go to heaven, it will keep generating money. So this is a lifetime business too that you can actually even transfer to your children. So it's a great way of earning money online. Come on, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you have not done so. So the number 7 is blogging. Blogging is great. It also helps you to make money online. Imagine the Linda Cages of this world. All right. Imagine the flamboyant life she lives. Okay. So blogging is a way of writing articles online. Okay. So you go ahead and write some niche down specific topics, teaching people for free. Okay. So when you're teaching people for free online, a lot of people will advertise on your blog. Okay, you have also a lot of people, you also have some links on your blog that if anyone should touch or click, all right, they will pay you. Their website that will pay you. So blogging is also a great way that you can earn money online. I mean, if you have not, you, it's a great way you can earn money online. In conclusion, if you have, all you have to do is that you pick any one of these products that I've just mentioned above. Okay, you don't need to learn all of them at the same time, because if you want to try to learn all of them at the same time, it will slow you down and it will also confuse you. So what you do is you go ahead and pick one. Just pick one out of all of these 7 that I've mentioned. Learn it thoroughly, and then you begin to make money and smile to the bank. I believe that this video has been of great help to you. It has been of great value to you. If it has, go ahead and smash a like on this video and ensure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification. So until next time,